Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can find and copy your major deposit address and memo on Bybit. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step now is to open your Bybit account. So now the next step now is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it right there on the left. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right away is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see it right there at the bottom. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. This is the point where you have to look for the crypto that you want to copy is deposit address and memo. And for this case, you want to copy major deposit address and memo. So you have to look for major, or in case you're finding it hard to see major, you can use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then what you're going to do next is to type in major. So let me type in major, M-A-J-O-R. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search result right there. You can see the major logo, you can see the name there, major. What you have to do next is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this is the next step. You can see what's written there, choose a chain type. So you have to choose the right network, and the right network is TON. So let me tap on TON. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see this important notification. Let me get to read it. To ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the major deposit address and major deposit memo or tag when making a deposit. So guys, this is a very important information. I'm going to be showing you guys how you're going to be able to copy not just your major deposit address but also your major deposit memo. So guys, let me tap on OK. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your major deposit address and memo. So guys, consider encircled area right there. That's your major deposit address. So now to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see at the top, copied successfully. So let me go over to the next one, which is how to copy your major deposit memo or tag. So guys, consider encircled area right there. That's your major deposit tag or memo. For you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon just next to it on the right hand side. So let me tap on copy. So guys, now you can see as well, copy successfully. So guys, now this is how you can be able to copy your major deposit address and memo on Bybit. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.